add something very special.
You have every time something special. Okay, let it be. Okay.
क्या है प्रयोगों का नाम क्या था सर?
This Malarthi Prayogam.
Malarthi kai prayogam.
There is
Malarthi means
69 sort of Prayogam in our system.
Oh, oh,
right?
oh.
In one of this very simple. You do the same exercise early in the morning. We derived from that only.
Okay. We are doing these as exercises. Actually, these are techniques. Okay. So
yeah.
Malarthi, if I'm not wrong, it means like something Malarthi.
Yes, Malarthi. Yeah, it is Palatna.
Palat diya. Okay. Malarthi kai prayogam. Using your hands to palata.
Yeah, it is just
Okay. So
upside down.
So this technique is mainly from Kalari or what? But I saw this technique in karate and many like Kali kind of things.
It is all interlinked. It is
Martial arts are interlinked, right? Everything went from Kalari, but I know everything is same. So in Kalari poetry, this technique is called as Malarthi Kai Prayoga. Let us see how that works, whether that works or not, how to make it work. If it does not work, मतलब समझ तो आ रहा है? Not work, मतलब समझ तो आ रहा है? Yes, let us see what the technique is.
Oh, we are going to
Demonstrate.
Yeah, implement.
Yes.
I mean, implement the technique
Okay.
out of hand
Yes,
rotation.
and we do
Normally,
this
the
exercise.
people do like this. Okay.
Yes, that
The
can be
same.
also turned into effective technique.
Effective technique. Okay. So I'll show you that.
Maybe catching the neck or the collar or the mala or anything like this. If you can focus over here, you can see what is happening. Elbow is used for making me off balance. See, I am here and then putting me down.
If I go ahead, it will go out. Okay.
So that is the technique. Using the elbow, placing it on my elbow to make me off balance, and then bas.
Okay.
This technique is not practical. It does not work. Now many of you might be thinking this is not a practical technique. It won't work in real life. Okay, I know. There are two situations in which this technique will not work. This technique is kind of impractical in two situations. Situation number one, if you are fighting somebody who is somewhat experienced in fighting. First thing, he will take his hand off. I have some experience in wrestling. I will show the clip also. Okay.
Hold on. மேல கிடக்கு ஆவாதி go.
So actually, if you are trying to do that technique to me, first thing he will do is he will take his hand out. Okay. Anyway, if you are fighting a trained professional fighter, he will never do this kind of catching the neck or catching the collar.
I can do all naughty stuff. Okay. Bum.
Yes, because I am engaging two of my best weapons over here. Now I am more vulnerable. So this is not a good thing to do, but you will find this in self-defense situations. You will find this people showing off and doing like this. People will do that. But for these situations, this can be effective. But if somebody takes the hand off, what will you do? And one more problem is there. If somebody is like 6 feet and they have 100 kgs of weight.
Like you.
No. So in that situation also, even if you get this right, you won't be able to pull me over there. You won't be able to pull me out.
It is very difficult. Until and unless you do some kind of hit or blow.
Okay. There is a distraction is needed. So I told you in two situations this technique will not work, but it will work if you improvise and you can do some kick or punch. How? In situation number one, first problem is somebody is taking your hand off, right? Somebody is pulling it back. So how to do that? Like if I'm catching your hair, I will do one catch and one hit at the same time. Almost simultaneously I will do it. It will be like this. It can be a palm strike, it can be a punch. And actually this is enough. But after this, see, after this, you switch your hands. One and switch. See, it was left and attack. Now right and hold. Now for the second problem. There is second problem that this man is very big and he is not coming down. No matter what I do, he is not coming down. So what I do is, there is a button in the human body. If you press that button, the body will come down like this. It is like tongue and the person comes down. Yes. And I don't choose to do anything, but I can. So all this can be done. But you have to add two things: punch or a palm strike and a kick. So it is like very simple. One catch, button, घुंघरू टूट गए and next के घुंघरू टूट गए. Okay, so let us see how that works.
Come this way.
Very simple.
धूम चले ये क्या था खैर छोड़ो. And so quick revision, if you don't know what is happening, shock the guy and change your hand. You see this catching is because the hand should not go off. Come in, kick to the groin or aja beta aja. And placing your knee in the armpit region is good. And I know you're thinking, why am I falling like this? Why can't I turn back and get out of this locked situation? Actually, you're right. If I just turn around and fall on my back, I won't have to face this shoulder lock kind of situation. Okay, let me make that clear. You won't have control over how you're falling after getting a palm strike to the face or a punch like this. And of course not after getting a groin kick like this. And believe me, nothing is in your control after groin kick, okay? It is the most effective kick.
This can be practiced like shadow sparring also, right?
Yeah. You have to practice every day, right? We are doing, right? Okay. The arm rotation, okay? That one. Elbow. Going like, yes. Turn back, one. Here, one. And two. Turn back, yes. One. Okay. Okay, two. Okay. Practice this, very easy. One. Take it here. Just like, hold, anyone? Hit. Yeah. Then, okay.
With punches and kicks also, if you want to practice, you can do it like that also. It can be like 1 and 2 and 3 and then 4. Just improvise if you want. Karate TV online classes are already started. Link is in description. Fill the form, click on the link and you can join the Karate TV online classes. हाँ इसीलिए तो बोला था. हाँ. And if you like this video, you can hit the like button, subscribe and press the bell icon.
Bang, bang.